Yes, it's true. The machines, they're coming and they're taking everyone's job. But I promise, you don't have to take it laying down like a living room rug. You can fight back and take control. I'm James Marquez from Legacy Business Partners. And in this Intro to AI Marketing Mastery course, I show you exactly how to do that. Now, this is just a bite-sized piece of the course. So we're going to skip through all of this stuff because today we're going to be talking about ways to integrate your AI into marketing. Okay. Now I did a whole course on this. It's like 40 minutes long. It was a live course with a bunch of business owners and marketers. You could check it out on YouTube for free. But some people don't want to watch 40 minutes. So that's why I'm breaking down the course now into bite-sized pieces that you can watch on the go or on demand whenever you're ready. Again, the goal of this course is to educate you and empower you to be irreplaceable in the marketplace and to be able to dominate in your industry. So no matter if you're a beginner or you know a lot about AI marketing, this course is here to help you. It is here to educate you. It's not just about Chat GPT, even though we do cover that. We go a lot deeper, though, into what AI marketing is. It is the future of growing businesses. And so that's what we're here to teach you. All right, with that being said, ways that you can integrate AI into your marketing. Now, these are the top three that I've picked. Obviously, there's a lot more. And, you know, if you do your homework, do your research, do your due diligence, you'll be able to understand all the other ways that you can integrate AI into your marketing because honestly, it goes beyond just marketing. It goes into sales, it goes into customer service. And these are all facets that marketing really should already have their hand in to make it the best possible product that it could be, whether it's from design, copywriting, or targeting, or being able to segment audiences. Sometimes sales doesn't understand that. Sometimes customer service doesn't have that extra sauce when it comes to just personalizing an email or giving it some color or a little splash here and there. And so this is where AI also can come in and help out the marketing, whether it be sales or customer service. But anyway, with that being said, number one, improving your ad campaigns. This is one of the easiest ways that you can integrate AI into your marketing, whether it be your Google ads, Facebook, any type of advertising or script writing. AI is able to help improve that. Now, I have to say this. This is very important. I say this in most all my videos when it comes to this AI marketing thing. Nothing beats experience and a good strategy. So if you're expecting AI to give you everything, then don't play yourself. Okay, you want to be creative. You want to bring your expertise to the machine so that it creates products and content in a way that it wouldn't for someone else. And that's what's going to make you different and make you stand out. So please don't think that you could just leave your expertise out the window. No, you have to train these AI machines to be able to do what it is you want them to do. So even when it comes to the advertising and the campaigns, what's your target audience? What tone do they like to be spoken to? Where is that customer in the journey? These are all things that the machine needs to know. The second thing, which is a big one, and I had to add this one. I couldn't just not add this one because if you're a beginner and you don't really understand and you're like, yo, I can't do the ads, chatbots is a very easy way to get going. Customers are cool with chatbots. They're comfortable with chatbots. It's not something that scares them away. And so being able to use AI with your chatbots is another great way to manage customer service issues. You could create frequently asked questions. You could do some sales stuff with that, lead generation stuff with AI chatbots. So there's a lot there, especially if you're a beginner and you're trying to integrate AI into your business somehow, some way. A chatbot is a great way to do that. The third one, again, it may seem obvious to some of you, but I'm gonna break it down just a little bit more. Creating better content. What does that mean? How do you integrate AI marketing into your AI into your marketing when it comes to content? Well, creating lead magnets. What is a lead magnet? If you don't know, a lead magnet is a piece of content, an ebook, a video, a blog, something that's very valuable to your customer, to your prospect, that they would give you information to get that lead, that white paper, that ebook, whatever it may be. It could be a lead magnet, could be a free trial. It could be you're waiving a down payment or something like that. You want to create, but when it comes to content, again, creating ebooks, creating quizzes and assessments, there's so much that AI can help you create that you can offer now to your customers, whether it's brochures or more improved product descriptions and kits. There's just so much more that you can create with AI marketing. And so I encourage you to get familiar with AI. This is a pay-to-play game. I don't want to, front or make you feel like, you can start learning. You can learn free to a certain extent. But even with ChatGPT, there's a free version, there's a paid version. And I guarantee you, the people that have the paid version are getting a lot more out of it than the people that have the free. In fact, some people with the free version can't even get on ChatGPT. So I'm just being honest with you that some of this stuff you are going to have to pay to play, but there is a lot of information out there. I've got information on my website, free tools, paid tools as well, and bundles, AI marketing mastery courses, and ChatGPT marketing prompt bundles. That kind of goes through different templates with SEO and email marketing and Google and advertising and product launches. It even has different assessments and roadmaps to walk you through from A to Z. How do I integrate marketing? How do I integrate Chat GPT into my business? These are all tools and resources that we have on Legacy Business Inc., plus other things for marketing gurus and business owners. So check it out for yourself. Get the live training as well. That's free. I go through the whole AI marketing mastery course. It's live, so you hear other business owners and marketers asking amazing questions. So I definitely suggest that you check that out. I'm James Marquez, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side of greatness.